Welcome back.
In this last video, we'll tidy up 2 account-level settings: what email SendX emails you about, and the addresses you never want to contact. Click the Notifications tab. Here, you'll find 4 toggles that control the emails email SendX sends you. General Notifications covers system updates and security alerts. Bounce and Complaint alerts warn you when those rates spike. Campaign Completion pings you when a send finishes. And Weekly Digest is a tidy summary of your activity. Just click a toggle to switch it on or off. There's no save button here. Your choice is saved automatically the moment you flip it. Now for Suppressions. From the sidebar, open Account, then Global Suppressions. A suppression is an address email SendX will never email or never accept mail from. What makes these global is that they apply across every single workspace you own, all at once. That's different from a workspace's own suppression list, which only affects that one workspace. Click Add Suppression. Pick a scope, a single email, a whole domain, or a regex pattern for power users. Type the value, choose a direction, outbound, inbound, or both, and a reason. Add a note for your team if you like, then click Block. Got a whole blacklist already? Click Import instead. Paste one address or domain per line, choose a reason, and click Import. Email SendX adds them all as outbound suppressions in one go. Every entry lands in this table. As the list grows, use the search box to find an address fast, or narrow things down with the direction and scope filters. To remove an entry, click the trash icon on its row and confirm. That instantly allows mail to and from that address again, across all your workspaces. And that wraps up your personal account settings. Your profile, your security, and your account-wide preferences are all set. Next, we'll move on to setting up a workspace.